What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to share the profile link of TikTok to anybody else using your PC. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So once you're on the TikTok main page, all you have to do is to go to the profile section over here and click on your profile. So once you're on the profile, all you have to do is to click on this share button. Just click on it, you will see multiple options right here. So you can either copy the link, share it to WhatsApp directly, share it to Facebook directly, or share it to Twitter, as known as X directly. So right now all I'm going to show you is to copy the link. So once you have copied the link, all you have to do is you can simply paste this link to any platform you want, and the person who will use the link will be redirected to TikTok's profile account. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.